We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville, and today we're going to be looking at a 6.4 by 18 utility trailer with 6-foot mesh sides. This trailer does come with two greaseable 3,500-pound axles. It has LED wired lights, and it does come with a 7-prong round connector. The floor of the trailer is pressure treated wood, and it does come standard with 15-inch steel wheels. Coming up front, it does come with a 2 5/16-inch coupler, as well as safety chains. And it is supported by a 2,000-pound jack. And it does have the 6-foot mesh sides.